See a live demonstration of how your website's pricing information can be instantly accessible. We'll show you how an AI assistant on your site can answer visitor questions in real time, directly from your content, making your pricing page more helpful. Answering pricing questions proactively converts more prospects into satisfied customers. Watch live as real questions get typed into the chat and answered. That chat bubble is your 24/7 pricing expert, ready to engage. A customer's very first step is understanding your offerings. Let's see how the AI can clarify your core service tiers right away. Let's see what the AI shared. Our service tiers are designed to scale with your business. We offer a free plan for getting started, with paid options like Starter, Standard, and Pro for increased capacity. Each plan includes more messages, websites, crawled pages, and seats. Enterprise solutions are also available. Of course, not every business fits neatly into predefined boxes. It's smart to anticipate questions about custom solutions, so let's check that. Here is the AI's response. Absolutely. For enterprise-level needs, we craft custom plans tailored to your unique project. These plans offer expanded usage limits to support your growing demands. Reach out to us at hello@asyntai.com to get your personalized quote. As we scroll, the AI's knowledge of your site remains available to answer more. Once they've grasped the general options, the next logical step is diving deeper. Now, let's get a clear breakdown of what the basic plan truly entails. See how it addresses this query. The free plan offers a robust starting point for your business. You'll receive 100 AI replies each month, support for one website, and up to 50 crawled pages. Plus, your knowledge base can hold up to 1 million characters with single user access. Unforeseen costs can be a major roadblock. This next question is crucial for building trust and ensuring transparency, so let's see how it's handled. Take a look at the answer. Enjoy a transparent and straightforward pricing experience. There are absolutely no setup fees and no hidden charges to worry about. The price listed for each plan is your complete price, covering all features and message limits. Every single answer presented has been generated fresh from your website's content. Finally, the practicalities of purchasing are key. Understanding payment flexibility can significantly impact conversion rates, so we'll ask about those options. What does the AI tell us? We offer 2 convenient payment options. You can pay securely via PayPal, with or without an account, or use your credit or debit card directly. Select your preferred method at checkout, and you can even switch between Euro and USD. See how easily your pricing page can become interactive. Try it yourself for free with no credit card required at asyntai.com and let your website answer customer questions.